guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm introducing this beef keema recipe and this is one of the tastiest. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video. First of all, I'm taking 4 tablespoons of oil. With that, I'm taking 2 onions, 2 medium-sized onions. And I've chopped them quite well and I'm going to fry them in this oil. Once it's going to change its color, we will move towards the next ingredient. We're going to turn it into brown color, light brown, and with the help of a wooden spoon, I am mixing it so that it does not stick to the pan and evenly fried. Now moving towards the next ingredients, I am going to add ginger garlic paste about 1 tablespoon. And after adding this with the help of a spoon, I'm going to mix all these ingredients quite well. While I'm mixing all these ingredients, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button. Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon, hit it, and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. Now I'm going to add minced beef about 500 grams. With the help of a spoon, I'm going to transfer all this minced beef in the pan, and once it's done, we're going to mix it so that it does not stick to the pan, and once it will change its color, then we will be moving towards the next ingredients. So as you can see, it's completely red in color, and once it's turned out to be brown, we will see that it has changed its color and it has turned out to be brown. Now we will move towards the next ingredient. It might take a lot of time to turn it into brown color, but time to time you have to mix so that it does not stick to the pan. With that, I'm adding salt about half teaspoon. You can add it according to your taste, and chili powder half teaspoon as well, and turmeric powder the same amount, and 1 cup of tomato puree. I've taken some tomatoes and I have added a little bit of water in it and made a puree out of it by grinding it. And you have to mix it so that all the ingredients are mixed well, and once all the ingredients are mixed well, we will be adding some more ingredients and we are going to mix it quite well. As you can see, it's mixed quite well. We will move towards the next ingredient. That's going to be French beans. I've added 1/4 cup of it, and carrots and capsicum half cup. Both of them are half cup. I've chopped them quite well and then I have added it in it. It's really up to you whatever the vegetables you want to add. You can miss one of them. Like you don't want to add capsicum or carrot, you can just skip it. Or even if you don't find French beans, then you can skip French beans as well. With that, I'm going to add ginger. I have chopped them in longer slices. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of that one. And again, I'm going to mix all these ingredients quite well. And as you can see, once the oil is separated, it's ready to be eaten. The dish is completely ready. Take it out into 80 presentable plate and eat it with tortilla wrap, naan, roti, or whatever you want to eat it with. It's really up to you. Serve it and eat it with some raita or salad. It's really up to you. So I hope you really like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you really like it, and share it with your friends and your family. Till then, goodbye. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.